Ancient Era. This is Turin papyrus map from Egypt that was drawn on papyrus trees from 1151 BC. This map illustrates the topography and geology of Wadi Hammamet in the mountains of the eastern desert of Egypt, where it shows the ancient gold-working settlements at Bir Fawakir and also at the Bekken stone quarry. Not only that, this one is the earliest known map, Imago Mundi. This map is made from clay tablet around 600 BC. This map also shows both real geographical features and elements of Babylonian cosmology like mythological beasts that inhabit the unknown lands. On top of the map is a block of text that describing the creation of the world by Marduk, that was a chief god of Babylon. Medieval Era. T&O map created by Isidore of Seville in 600 using parchment and ink. A world map represent landmass Africa, Europe and Asia as a circle and divided by T-shapes which represent the combination of Mediterranean Sea, Tanais and Nile River. Mappa Mundi Hereford was made around 1300, constructed on a single sheet of vellum, calfskin, shows the history, geography, mythology, Bible stories, flora, fauna, exotic race and destiny of humanity as it was understood in Christian Europe. The map was created as an intricate work of art rather than as a navigational tool. Ebstorf map created between 1234 to 1240, crafted meticulously on 30 joined goatskin pieces. This map combined geographical knowledge with religious symbolism, creating a visual encyclopedia of medieval understanding. Mercator World Map is a conformal cylindrical map projection first present by Flemish geographer and mapmaker Gerardus Mercator in 1569, designed to help sailor navigate around the globe. It is a geographical chart where the spherical globe is flattened into a 2D map, with latitude and longitude lines drawn in a straight grid. The landmass at the higher latitude will appear larger than their actual size on the map. Modern Era. GIS, or Geographic Information System, started in the 1960s and is now the backbone of modern digital mapping. It links locations with descriptive data, helping us understand spatial patterns and relationships. By combining different types of information on one interactive map, GIS makes it easier to plan cities, manage resources, monitor the environment, and respond to disasters accurately and efficiently. GPS, or Global Positioning System, was developed in the 1970s and became widely used in mapping during the 1980s. It uses satellites to provide precise location, time, and movement anywhere on Earth. In modern mapping, GPS helps collect field data, create real-time maps, and conduct digital surveys, delivering highly accurate and up-to-date information when used together with GIS and remote sensing. Remote sensing has been used since the 1970s to study Earth's surface without direct contact. Satellites, aircraft, or drones measure reflected or emitted radiation, allowing us to collect data from large areas quickly. This technology helps monitor land use, the environment, and natural resources, especially when combined with GIS and GPS, producing precise and interactive maps for analysis. Drones, or UAVs, started being used in mapping in the early 2000s. With high-resolution cameras, multispectral sensors, and lidar, they capture detailed images to create 2D and 3D maps. Flying at low altitudes, drones provide centimeter-level accuracy and cover large areas quickly. When paired with GIS and GPS, drone data supports urban planning, precision farming, environmental monitoring, and disaster management safely and efficiently. Technology developments. Printing and surveying advances as a transition from print to web-compatible formats. Examples of features used are symbol simplification, multi-scale zoom and layering features. Surveying tools help surveyors calculate angles and distances accurately due to technological advances such as the plane table, Gunter's chain and theodolite, which laid the foundation for the contemporary coordinate system. Accurate output is essential to infrastructure planning, military strategy and to government. Aerial photography was used in the 20th century in World War I by placing cameras on light ships to observe areas on the battlefield. Photogrammetry is used to create topographic maps, elevation models and contour lines. Remote sensing is a method of collecting data without interacting with objects. The technology used is aircraft or satellites. Images are taken in various spectral bands, which helps in identifying changes in land use on maps.